Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor. And in today's video we have this amazing news that Arbitrum is joining OpenSea. This is one of the biggest NFTs platform in the crypto space. And from today is the launch that we are super excited that OpenSea will in the Arbitrum ecosystem. I also have another partners news that joined Arbitrum, so keep an eye on this important news about this joining in the ecosystem. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's go into it. Guys, just a couple of hours ago, they posted this in OpenSea. They are giving the news. Now it's also in the Arbitrum page. We are excited to share that OpenSea will soon support Arbitrum. This is the first step in building our goal of a Web3 future where people have access to the NFTs they want on the chains they prefer. And right now we are going to have Arbitrum. Today is the launch. So we now almost ready to onboard amazing collections like Small Bears, Sheep Blueberry Club and Diamond Peps by Dopex.io into OpenSea. After working with the Arbitrum team and several projects on the chain, we can't wait to meet the rest of the community. These three are the collections mentioning, and you can see that they don't have a small amount of followers here, almost 50,000 followers. Smallverse is one known NFT collection. We have also GMX Blueberry Club, 9,000 followers here. This is also a collection that is pumping. And DOPX.io with almost 37,000 followers. So these three collections are mentioning here from the launch on Arbitrum. So the plan for OpenSea is to launch this today. After the launch, creator will need to find their collections in OpenSea and set their creator fee directly. We encourage creators to do this at launch to be ready for any new transactions. And fourth, watch this space tomorrow, so today. We will be here to make sure that Arbitrum community is ready to go. In the meantime, don't hesitate to drop questions below. Stay tuned for more events, more updates in the weeks ahead. So guys, this is actually mega important news. The adoption of Arbitrum, you can see OpenSea has almost 2 million followers and was one of the first NFT marketplaces for Ethereum. Right now maybe another important marketplaces, but for sure OpenSea continue being one of the leaders in NFTs. You can see when I try to connect to OpenSea, the amount of wallets that I am allowed to use. So from today you can find those collections here in OpenSea. You can use Arbitrum here. So these are amazing news for the ecosystem. In another recent news from yesterday, TroveByTreasure now supports Arbitrum Goerli for all their partnered collections who wish to test. As the older Arbitrum RingEB testnet is decrypted and will see many third-party RCPs shut down on October 5th, we encourage our partners to test new collections or migrate existing test collections to the new Goerli testnet. So if you are following this news, you need to pay attention for this, are also very important. And finally, why is Rysk Finance launching on Arbitrum? It's all about the ecosystem, low fees, scalability, security and team. So we have more adoptions going into the Arbitrum ecosystem, and the Rysk protocol was founded with the idea of collaboration at its core. Therefore, we need somewhere with a thriving DeFi ecosystem which would allow us access to the widest range of tools to integrate with. That is why they are choosing Arbitrum as their blockchain, and so far we have integrations with Rage Trade and Uniswap, many more to come. Low fees, scalability, security, team. Those are the things why they are choosing also Arbitrum. And again, if you go to DeFiJama.com, you can see that the Polygon ecosystem has a total value lock of 1.32 billion. Then we have Arbitrum with 935 millions, almost 1 billion, very near that. Optimism 830 million. So Arbitrum still is the second chain more important for the Ethereum chain. And like you know, we are behind the airdrop that we for sure are expecting for Arbitrum project. If you don't know how to participate and get the airdrop for Arbitrum, I recommend you to check those videos that are appearing right now. If you liked the video, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.